All right, guys, welcome to another Hundley Garage. Keep getting people to reach out to me, and I can't say no. So, Meco Eleverde, they reached out and said, would you do a review on this vacuum cleaner air duster? And so I had done a review on some air dusters in the past. And so I wasn't real interested in that, but this had a vacuum component to it, so I thought, why not? So got came in a box and then unwrapped it here, but kind of opening it up. Oh wow! They got a nice package here, so we can go ahead and undo this. I have no idea what to expect here. So, looks like we've got quite a few things in here. All right, so it looks like there is a attachment bag. I'm thinking, not real sure. We've got different attachments here. So it looks like bigger, middle, and small. Then there's this one. So it's a longer one. And then we've got, that one's got a brush on it. So we've got that. And then I think this is what you stick on the outside over here. Then we've got some more stuff inside of here. All right, so inside of here, looks like there is an attachment of sorts. This looks like this is what would go. Not real sure. Oh, maybe this thing moves. Okay. So then you've got this attachment. So then you've got this guy, this guy. Looks like a charger. So that's USB-C and USB-A. Got another hose in here. So this one's of course flexible. There are a lot of freaking attachments, good grief. So then this one, looks like we've got some different options there. Good grief, man, there's a bunch in here. So then, if I open this up, this must be what this is for here. So, okay, wow. So this is kind of a car cleaning kit. I've always wanted something like that. It doesn't really say car cleaning kit, but man, you could. You can do anything. So you could, it's got a little brush here. And then you've got, not real sure what that's for. Huh. Some plastic tweezers. And then you've got some different brushes here. Got another brush right there. So I'm assuming that's what you're going to put all of this in here. And then I haven't looked at this yet, but here's the instructions. All right, so here is this. So it's a nice, looks like a light. Feels good in the hands. So that's blowing out there. sucking in here. So there's some lights. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna read the instructions real quick. All right, guys, so this right here, this turns the LED light on and off. And then this is the power. Didn't really say how it works. So it looks like it's got 3 speeds. This head right here rotates. And so you can turn it from suck to blow by the air goes this way. And so if you take this off, you can, and I think that's what this is for. You can stick this, this guy on here like that. Thought you could. But anyway, that's where you put like all these blower pieces on. So you could put all of these guys in here that has arrows to, I'm assuming, maybe line this up. Yeah, and then you lock it over. And then when you turn this on, yeah, then you can dust stuff off if you want to. Looks like you got 3 speeds. So you can use all these attachments on the blower, or you could take the blower off and you put this guy on right here. Let me put it on. So what I did was rotated the handle, and then you can put these different attachments on here, and then turn it on. You can suck some stuff up, and then you've got that filter inside of there. I think this would be kind of cool. I'd like to do my car here. Not real dirty anyway, but perfect. I like it. It's pretty nice. And I can turn it up one more. 1, 2, 3. So then that's kind of take care of stuff in here. I like that brush. Seems to have pretty good power too. If you can see that. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like it. I don't have to get my big vacuum out. Try to suck some stuff up here. Alright, let's go see what this looks like. So you can charge it right here, but yeah, you can see all the stuff inside of there. So I think you can just turn this thing, rotate this, and then just dump it out. So what I did was I just rotated that, and then you can, need to get my tripod in here, but you can pull this out. So it looks like you could use this filter assembly here, or this one that's got different stuff on there, but you can just throw that stuff away if you want. So I don't know, I like it. I didn't know what to expect. I gotta go charge it, but it's small enough in that package. I'm gonna keep that in my car, clean my car out. I think it's absolutely perfect. So Meco, I'll put in a link in the video below, or the description below. Believe there's a discount that they provided as well, but I don't know, it works pretty nice. I like it. I like the case. I like all of the attachments. I don't know. I don't have anything bad to say about it. So I don't know, hope you liked the video. Some of these things take me by surprise. Like I said, I've got these air dusters up here, but I can just kind of blow air with it, and so you can see the size difference here. It's quite a bit bigger, but you know, nothing against this, but I can't, and just kind of blow air with it. I like the vacuum attachment and the bag and all of that stuff. So yeah, if you find this interesting, give it a like or hit subscribe. I've got places reaching out to me all the time to do a quick review, and so I hope this helps you, and appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more.